When I initially agreed to volunteer at the Veterans Clinic, there was some trepidation because you never know what type of legal problem is going to walk through the door. And as an insurance defense lawyer, I was a little worried that I would be handed a family law question or a wills and trust question that I wouldn't be able to answer. Fortunately, the Bar Association put together a handbook that basically outlined all the different issues that could possibly arise. And a quick review of that made me realize that I actually remember a lot from law school that I didn't think I did. In my experience, I've never had a question come up at one of these clinics that I wasn't comfortable giving at least general advice. So I understand that there might be some hesitation to participate, but with the resources that are provided to us, we have more than enough combined with our general knowledge base from law school to help these folks out. So there's really nothing to be scared of. One of the veterans who came in, she was an older lady. She came to the clinic ostensibly with an employment-related question, but shortly after she sat down, I could tell that there were other problems going on in her life. During the course of the conversation, I realized just how desperate she had become. By the time she left the clinic that day, I think we had gotten her the help she needed and set it up. And more importantly, I think she realized that she wasn't alone in the world. And that right there is the reason that these clinics are put into place, to help these people with nowhere else to go and show them that there are people who care about them and there are people who want to help them. I think that participating in these programs can only help us as lawyers. It allows us to see that what we do as lawyers means something. We have the real ability to help people and affect their lives in a positive way. I always feel really good driving home after the Veterans Clinic. It's a feeling that I don't get typically driving home from the office every day. And that is well worth the 4 or 5 hours you spend at the clinic, the feeling you get on the drive home.